Changing your DoorDash Dasher app password is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your DoorDash Dasher app and tap on your profile icon to access account settings. In the account settings, look for Account Details or Login and Security option and select it. Next, choose the Change Password option. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first, then your new password. Your new password must meet specific security standards. It needs at least 8 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, plus at least one number. Additionally, avoid reusing any of your last 5 passwords and consider updating your password every 90 days as a good security practice. Following these password requirements and regularly updating your credentials helps protect your Dasher account from unauthorized access. If you've forgotten your DoorDash password, several recovery methods are available to regain access to your account. Phone verification is another option, where you'll receive an SMS code to your verified phone number. For additional security, DoorDash may require identity verification, such as submitting a driver's license or social security number. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. DoorDash supports SMS verification, email confirmation codes, and app-based authenticators. Use a strong, unique password for your DoorDash account. Password managers can help generate and store secure passwords safely. Regularly monitor your account activity and report any suspicious behavior immediately. DoorDash will lock accounts under review if unusual activity is detected. Following these security practices will help protect your DoorDash account and ensure uninterrupted access to the platform.